Here's how to fix mouse lagging and freezing issue. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch the application. From the menu on the left, select Bluetooth and Devices, then open Mouse. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Scroll Inactive Windows when hovering and make sure it is turned off. Next, scroll further down and select Additional Mouse Settings. In the Mouse Properties window, open the Pointer Options tab, look for Display Pointer Trails, and make sure this option is disabled. Click Apply, then select OK to save the changes. The next step is to check your mouse driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand the mice and other pointing devices category using the arrow next to it. Find your mouse in the list, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and allow Windows to check for an available driver update. If Windows reports that the best driver for your mouse is already installed, right-click the mouse again and select Update Driver. This time, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. On the following screen, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If multiple compatible drivers are displayed, try them one at a time. Start by selecting the first driver in the list and click Next. If the mouse continues to lag or freeze, repeat the process and try another available driver. If changing the driver doesn't resolve the problem, return to Device Manager and right-click your mouse again. Select Uninstall Device. Then confirm the removal by clicking Uninstall. After uninstalling the device, the mouse may stop responding, which is expected. Restart your computer, and Windows should automatically detect the mouse and reinstall the necessary drivers. Once your computer has restarted, test the mouse again. If you're still experiencing the same problem, disconnect the mouse from your computer. Remove the USB cable or receiver. After disconnecting it completely, connect the mouse to a different USB port and check whether the issue has been resolved. If the mouse continues to behave incorrectly, the sensor underneath it may need to be cleaned. Turn the mouse over and locate the optical sensor on the bottom. Blow into the sensor area to remove any dust or debris that could be interfering with tracking. Repeat this a few times. Once you've cleaned it, test the mouse again. For a wireless or battery-powered mouse, try replacing the batteries with a fresh set. Low battery power can sometimes cause the mouse to lag, freeze, or respond inconsistently. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.